The fourth class of biological macromolecules are nucleic acids. The nucleic acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. The building blocks of nucleic acids are nucleotides. Each nucleic acid is made up of a phosphate, a sugar, and a base. There are four kinds of bases: adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. The phosphate is the round structure that you see. Then we have the 5-carbon sugar, which is connected to the base. There are four types of bases found in DNA, and that is adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. So there we have it. A single nucleotide is made up of a sugar, a phosphate, and a base. This is something you need to remember. Nucleic acids are made up of three classes: DNA, RNA, and ATP. DNA is short for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is double-stranded. It looks like a double helix. Imagine a spiral staircase. The handrail of the staircase is made up of the sugar and phosphate groups, and the actual stairs that we step on are made up of the bases. The A matches with T and G matches with C. That is how you make each step. The lines that you see between them are the hydrogen bonds. The main function of DNA is to carry genetic information. DNA codes for proteins. The next class is RNA, or ribonucleic acid. This is a single-stranded molecule. If it were to match with itself, then A would match with U, which is uracil, and G would match with C. Again, you find hydrogen bonds between these matched pairs. The main function of RNA is protein synthesis. The third class is ATP, which is short for adenosine triphosphate. We have an adenine group, an OS, the adenosine, so OS is the sugar, and the triphosphate, which stands for 3 phosphates with high energy bonds between them. The main function of ATP is to act as the energy currency of the cell. Let's recap what we know about nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. The building blocks of nucleic acids are nucleotides. Each nucleotide is made up of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a base. You could have 4 different bases: adenine, guanine, thymine, or cytosine. The 3 classes of nucleic acids are DNA, RNA, and ATP. The function of DNA is to carry genetic information. The function of RNA is to carry out protein synthesis. ATP is the energy currency of the cell.